placement can be done from buy or sell option available in MarketWatch after clicking on any script or indexes. To place buy order, user need to click on buy order window, where user need to fill different parameters for placing buy order. This tab will give details information of script like name, ISIN, price range, tick size. User can view 3 months future series of script or indices. Tap on future script or indices to add it to MarketWatch. User can view option chain glance and place buy or sell order of that particular script and indices. User need to click on. User can set alert with your desired combination and AMP condition. Once alert is triggered, start your journey with Phillip9. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.